Hello everyone, welcome to our iTech Analytics Solutions YouTube channel. This is the complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series, and this is our 35th video of this series. In this video, let's learn about the related functions in DAX. So first let's understand what these related functions are in DAX. So DAX provides related functions that help retrieve data from related tables in a data model. That means in Power BI, we need to have the tables which are related, and if the data is actually the tables are related, then we can use these related functions to get data from each table. These functions are particularly useful when working with relationship between tables in Power BI. Let's see what all related functions we have in DAX. So we have lookup value, related, and related table. As I told you in all our previous videos, so we have the links for these presentations and the PDFs what we'll be sharing. So you have the link, you click on this link, this will take you to the Microsoft website where you can actually learn more about each and every functions what we are actually teaching, and you get the syntax, the examples, and also the exercises where you can actually work on each and every DAX functions which we have mentioned. Alright, so practically we'll see how this lookup value related and related table will work. So let's go to our Power BI window, that is the Power BI desktop. Now first we'll see about how this lookup value will work. Let's say I have a table here. The table what we have is the data table. In this we have ship ID, customer ID, segment ID, location ID. So we just have only the IDs. Now what I want is, in this table, I want the customer name from customer table. Now I can see that we have the IDs, the customer IDs here with relationship with this. So we have the customer ID here where we can get the data from this table to data table. And if you go to this data model, that is, the model view, you can see that the data table and the customer table are actually related. So you can see that there are more other tables which are related. Now let me go back to the table view. I'll click on new column and I'll try to get the customer name from customer table to data table. So I just clicked on new column and then we'll try to write the formula function lookup value. Lookup value, it lasts for the result column. Let's say I want the customer name from customer table, comma. It lasts for the search column. The search column is based on the customer ID. We are trying to look for the value. Again, comma. It lasts for search value. Let's say I'm using customer ID from data table. Close the bracket and press enter. You can see I'll get the customer names here based on the customer IDs in this table. Alright, the next one is related table. Related table is again very similar to lookup value, but this will also give me the same results. Let's see, we'll work on this related function and then we'll see what is the difference between lookup value and related. So I'm just trying to create one more column here. Function related. Related, it lasts for the column name. I will just mention customer name. Close bracket, press enter. Now you can see I'll get the same results if I use even related function. Now what is the difference? The difference between lookup value and related function is, I showed you the model view wherein the data and customer table are related to each other. Let me select this connection. I will delete, and now the relationship will be deleted. Let me just delete this. You can see that the relationship is removed now. I'll go back to the table view and you just observe this. We'll get error. That means there is no relationship between the data table and customer table. But when I say lookup value, it will actually fetch the value based on the IDs. Now let me go back to the model view and now let me connect it. I'll just drag and drop. Now again I'm creating the relationship and you can see that now I'll get the results. So related will work only when the tables are related. Right. Next, suppose I have a table ship mode. I want to get the total sales from the data table. I have a column sales here. You can see that I have this column sales. I want to get the total sales, the aggregated value here in this particular table. So for that, what I'll do is I'll go here and I'll say new column. I can use the function called as SUMX, which we already learned in our aggregate function class. So you can go and check that video. Aggregate functions, in that we have this SUMX. So let's say I want total sales equals, I'll use SUMX. It will ask for the table. I'll say data, comma, and then expression will take as sales. Close the bracket. I'll press enter. You just observe, I'll get the result, but it will give me the overall total. But this is not what I want. I actually want each ship IDs should get aggregated. So for that, what I'll do is after the SUMX, before I take this table, so I'll try to give related table and then I will close the bracket, press enter. Now I can see I'm getting the result that is aggregated for each ship IDs. So likewise, I can use this related table to get the results. Suppose if data table and ship mode table is not related, then we'll not get the aggregated values for each ship ID. We'll get the overall total. Let me just show you that as well. So here I have the segment and ship mode. Let me delete this. I'll delete. And if I go back to the table view and check, see, we'll get the overall total. So likewise, we can actually use this related function. So let me just connect it again. So I created the relationship again. If you go back and check in the table, now we'll get the proper results. Right. So these are some of the related functions in DAX. Now, people, if you are actually looking for a better career in data analytics and data science, please do contact us on the number and email ID given on screen. We will give you more information, and also you can visit our website www.itsinc.in, wherein there are many courses which are freely available. You can enroll and you can learn data analytics and data science skills completely free. And if you're still not following us or you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn, we are in all the social media portals. So please use the link which are given in the description below and then do follow us, and also this will encourage us to create more informative and innovative videos like this. I hope you have liked this video. So if you liked, please give a like and a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave the comments in the comment box, and also don't forget to share this video to all the other people who wants to learn the DAX completely. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next